The EvenMixer IBC tote mixer is simple, light, and strong. We designed it after carefully studying what people wanted in an IBC mixer, aiming to provide something the industry had never seen before. Our system is dependable, efficient, and durable. Its award-winning design makes it considered the most efficient mixer in many aspects. We use stainless steel 316 throughout the IBC mixer, the same material utilized in the harshest applications. By mixing your chemicals, resins, adhesives, paints, and other materials evenly throughout an IBC, you can reduce raw material input and save money. If you've chosen one of our EvenMix IBC tote mixers, here are the simple assembly steps. First, insert the mixing shaft into the IBC cap, including the stainless steel reducer. Second, insert the mixing shaft into the output of the drive and tighten the through bolt. Third, attach the IBC cap to the drive. Fourth, insert the mixer into the IBC and secure the cap. Finally, to remove, simply unfasten the cap and pull the IBC out. The EvenMixer IBC tote mixer distributes materials evenly throughout an IBC. Its unique foldable blades can be inserted into the 6-inch aperture to consistently distribute contents. Our drum mixer is interchangeable with our IBC mixer. The foldable blade enters through the 6-inch bunghole and has a considerably larger blade at 16 inches when unfolded. Some mixers, like our drum mixer, come with 1 or 2 blade options for more mixing control. What makes EvenMixer unique is our large surface blade custom designed to our exact specifications. This patented blade technology creates circulation like no other on the market, as our customer reviews confirm. Our mixers are designed and manufactured in the United States. When you purchase an EvenMixer mixer, delivery is prompt with no customs delays. You can contact us anytime for assistance with no communication gaps or significant time differences. Our customer service, manufacturing, and design teams are all based in the United States, enabling us to deliver superior products with consistent quality. Our tote mixing systems were created and developed in Cleveland with the assistance of a NASA engineer. The robustness and lightweight of our tote mixers are 2 of our most valuable assets. We offer packages of mixers to satisfy various industry needs. All EvenMix mixers are designed to be light, durable, and operate without creating a vortex. Our portable mixers are lightweight for easy transport between containers, unlike competitors' mixers that may require a forklift. We have a mixer that weighs only 12 pounds. Our online store features various horsepower and geared drive types to fulfill virtually any industry's needs, with mixers for containers of any size, various blade configurations, and food-grade options. We identified opportunities to improve mixer functionality while enhancing energy consumption, performance, and weight. Our revolutionary mixer is lightweight, energy efficient, dust and water resistant, and offers multiple modes for improved performance. Our mixers are designed to withstand various environments and conditions across different industries. What unites our customers is their need for true 3D mixing capability that exceeds anything currently on the market. The benefits of using EvenMixer include minimal energy consumption. Our mixers plug into a standard 3-prong wall outlet, run on 120 volts, and use approximately the same electricity as a ceiling fan. They can handle various viscosities and containers while providing exceptionally even mixing thanks to our revolutionary blade design. When customers first use EvenMixer, they realize it's not just another industrial mixer. With impressive power, energy efficiency, lightweight, and even mixing capability, EvenMixer thoroughly mixes contents to the bottom and into the most remote places of any container, whether open containers, drums, or IBCs. Most people are amazed that our tote mixer delivers on all promises while weighing just 1/3 the weight of many competitors. This could be quite possibly the best IBC tote mixer on the market. For more information, visit http://evenmix.com, how to assemble EvenMix for IBC cap mixer, http://youtube.com, watch VSI App 700, https://evenmix.com, product EvenMix electric IBC mixer, https://evenmix.com, shop.